Hello everyone, and peace of Christ to all of you. I hope my voice coming good and clear. Please invite your friends and let us have good time together. You know, each time we make videos, the Muslims, they will leave a comment, and we find that the comment is most funny, hilarious. I will show you examples of those comments so we can laugh together. And this is why I call it bankruptcy. Like the last video, we spoke about the God of Islam speaking about how Muslim he will have sexual intercourse with the virgins in heaven, with details which is disgusting. What the Muslims answer us? What is the response? 1 + 1 + 1 is equal to 1. What the other one say? Your Bible support that. And then, you know, they start quoting for you verses from the Old Testament. Prince of Peace command killing. You know, I mean, it's really funny and stupid. Okay, isn't your God who accept that God, he sponsored Noah and he killed all mankind who don't accept what Noah asked them to believe in? Isn't it your prophet, he says, kill their children because they are one of them? Isn't it your Quran in the chapter of the cave speaking about a child who did not commit any sin, and your God Allah, he ordered Al-Khadr to kill him? I mean, the hypocrisy of the Muhammadan is amazing. Those are in war, and they are doing the same as they do to the enemy did to them. So here you see the hypocrisy. The enemy did not kill the children of the Muslims. The enemy did not even slaughter the Muslims. You see, the Muslim, they give us history saying that the prophet was kicked out of his town, and even they tried to kill him. There is no proof of that. It's a big fat lie. Muhammad, he left with all his animals, all his and his servants and his slave. You cannot smuggle all of that. According to Muslims themselves, 70 people left. How 70 people live together and nobody noticed in a small little tiny village? So your prophet is a gang caravan leader attacking his own people. At least this is a war between two nations, and the other nations want to kill the Jews, want to enslave them. Let us see. Do we have any Muslim have any comment? Any Muhammadan? I will open my Skype for a little time to give a chance to any Muhammadan to give us answers. All right. And please, only Muhammadan call for now. My Skype is not open yet. Don't call. Just text me first and I will call you, my friend. All right. Any Muslim would like to text to call me, give me a text, please. I will call you back. My Skype right now is open. Anyone? Anyone? No, this is a Muslim from Indonesia. Let us see. But this is an old text from yesterday, I think. I don't know if he's online. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, my friend, I saw your text. You want to call me? This is Christian Prince with you. You are live on air.
Yes, can you hear my voice?
Yes, I hear you. Go ahead.
Yes, I am Muslim from Indonesia.
All right. You are welcome. What do you like to say to
So,
us? my friend?
I'm sorry if my English not so well. I want to ask, what is the topic actually?
Well, we are talking about why Jesus have all those miracles in the Quran. What is the point of those miracles? Why Jesus don't have a father? Why Jesus don't die like the rest of a human being in the Quran? He is until now alive. Why he can make the blind see? Why he can resurrect people from death? Why he can tell you what you hide in your houses? Why he can heal the leper? Why he can heal any disease? Why nobody can hurt him? And the opposite happened to Muhammad. Muhammad can do none of those. What do you think?
I think it is normal actually. For example, Jesus can raise up the dead people. It is normal. I mean,
It's not.
so many miracles also in our life happen. So I think it is normal.
It's normal. So why Muhammad
Yes.
don't have this normal thing? As long it's normal. When the last time you Muslims you heard that there's a guy he can raise people from death and he is a Muslim?
Yes, we can see in the Old Testament, Elia, or what's the name?
You see, you are changing the topic. I'm talking about Islam. Does the Quran mention that Elijah he did that? Does the Quran mention anyone beside Jesus did that? No. So you are trying to avoid answering the question by saying, okay, there is someone he can do that. This is not the question. In Islam, no one was able to do that save Jesus. Why only Jesus, not Muhammad?
Also, once again, what is your question?
In Islam, if there is any other person in Islam can raise people from death, can make the blind see, can tell you what you hide in your houses, he can create from the mud a bird and breathe into it and make it living creature flying like now in the sky. He is alive until now. He is in the sky, and he is born without father. If there is anyone, he have all those things, or even one of them in Islam.
Okay, I admit that miracles, but we can the fact.
This is not the question, my friend. My friend, this is not the
We
question.
cannot see anymore now.
No, this is not the question.
Only like
No. This is not the question. You are not listening. Why Muhammad don't even have one of them? Okay, one by one. Jesus make the blind see. Can Muhammad make the blind see? No. Jesus, he tell you what you hide in your houses. Can Muhammad tell you what you hide in your house? No. Jesus can create from the mud a bird and he breathe into it. He make it living creature. Can Muhammad do that? No. Jesus can give eyes to the blind. Muhammad cannot. Jesus can say make the one who cannot walk. Muhammad cannot. Jesus, he have no father. Muhammad, he have. Jesus, he never commit sin. Even the Quran chapter 19 verse 19 call him as a holy son. Muhammad is a sinner, as the Quran quoting him. We forgive to thee your past sin and the one to come. Jesus right now is alive in heaven and Muhammad is dead. This is all about Jesus, and he is just a prophet. Go ahead.
Can you give me time to speak?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, every prophet have different miracles. For example, Jesus can raise up dead people, and Moses can make the Red Sea become join or become disappear. So every prophet have different miracles. So the miracles of Prophet Muhammad, what we can hear from our Ustad, just for example, the scientific miracle in the Quran, even you were objected regarding that miracles, but I can say that the miracles of Prophet Muhammad, for example, is the scientific that Jesus did not have.
I lost you. What is the last thing you said? Hello?
Jesus.
Yeah?
Hello. Can you hear my voice?
Yeah. The last thing you said. What the last thing you said?
I admit that Jesus have many miracles.
Okay, I will go with you, my friend. What's your name? What's your name? So I may call you. You don't have to give your real name. It's up to you. But give me a name so I can call you.
My name Budi, Indonesian, Budi.
Budi, okay. Mr. Budi, listen. You said that in the Quran there's scientific miracles. Did you say that?
Yes, right.
Okay. I have a challenge, a friendly challenge. Don't take it as an offense. In front of everybody, we have more than 1,000 people listening. If you can show me one scientific miracle in the Quran, you are my hero. Choose anything you want. Go ahead.
Okay, you mean you asked me to give me one example?
Yeah, you know, because I say, this is a big fat lie. Your ustaz, they say to you, it's a lie. It's a big fat lie. Not only a lie, it's a big fat, and it's my duty to prove it's a lie. And look what happened now. I am giving you open opportunity. Choose anyone you want, and I will prove it to you that it's a fraud.
Okay, I will take one example, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, even you will object it, I will take from the time relativity of the Einstein that I can say it is already told in Quran, and then 1,400 years in the back, Einstein copied. So I mean more than 1,000 years.
What verse we are talking about? What verse we are talking about?
Time relativity, I mean, in the Quran.
Okay, where is that? Where?
In Al-Marij, I think I'm not open the Quran. For example, in Al-Marij, ayat 4, I think.
No, I want you to search Google for what they say to you, and I want you to read for me what they are saying, so to be sure that you are not quoting wrongly. Is that in chapter 20? Is that in chapter 22, verse number 47?
Al-Marij, I think, ayat number 4.
Which verse?
Now I'm not.
Which verse?
Let's say that 1 year, that 1 day of our life will be 50,000 years of the malaikat, I think.
No. You
so
see,
it is a kind of time relativity.
Okay, hold on. You see, here actually you just to prove to us that you do not know what are you talking about, and the Muslims are just fooling around. This is in chapter 22, verse number 47. تعرج الملائكة والروح إليه في يوم كان مقداره 50,000 سنة. Here, this is about Judgment Day, and according to the Quran, actually, the Judgment Day will be, in the Judgment Day, the angels will take him 50,000 years to go to heaven. But look what happened now.
Okay.
All right. I don't know if you are aware that the Quran mentioned that the angels take them.
Yes.
1,000 years to go to Allah. Is it true?
Yeah, now I do not bring my notes. So what I remember, there are 2 ayats saying regarding time relativity. Number 1
all right.
is what you what you have just
okay.
one.
All right, my friend, how time and relativity is about? First of all, in the Bible it says that one day for God is 1,000 years for us. This is in the Bible, long time before Muhammad. Secondly, what does have to do with time relativity? Are you saying that Allah he have time? Are you saying that Allah really he have 50,000 years? Do Allah have time? Do Allah live inside time? Do Allah live?
Wrong, I think, Siti. Can I say what is your wrong?
Okay, go ahead.
Yes, in the Bible, I know in the Bible that it is saying in the 3 Peter, maybe ayat 4, I don't know, saying also in the Bible that one day will be 1,000 years in the Allah days. You see, that ayat do not have any movement, no movement.
What
indication on that ayat?
What movement? What does that mean? Movement? What movement?
Like this, Siti. For example, if you read again the time relativity of Einstein, you will see all the variable. It is T1, T0, and then speed of light, and then speed of the malaikat or speed of the object.
Okay, let's see.
You see on the Al-Marij.
Okay, hold on.
If you see Al-Marij number,
the speed of the speed of the angels. The speed of the angels. What is the speed of the angels?
The speed of the angel, that is the v. If you know the equation of the time relativity, you know it.
What is the speed? What is the speed of the angels?
Once again, okay, I will tell you slowly. If you see that ayat that's saying 1 day of hour will be 50,000 years, you see on that ayat that the malaikat raise up. Raise up means there is a movement. Because of high speed movement, then there is a time relativity.
Because of the movement. Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay. So guys, there is because there is a movement. Okay, I want to go with you. When Muhammad he went to the heaven, he took with him Jibreel. How many thousand years took Jibreel to go to Allah heaven? You see, I'm going with your story, and now you are getting your prophet busted. You are the one who said the angels will take them 1,000 years in one place, 50,000 years in another place to go to heaven. Now we have Muhammad who claimed he went to heaven in a few hours and he came back, and in the way he stopped even in Jerusalem and he prayed there. So how many hours it took the Mr. Relativity angel who go in his speed, which you said 50,000 years, will take him to go just to heaven one way? How the same angel he was able to go with Muhammad for a few hours? The mic is yours.
Yeah, I think it is very clear. Yeah, if you have any education in the senior school, it already taught by our teacher that in the special relativity. I think it is.
My friend, you are changing the topic. You see, you are not answering. You are the one who said to me, it take them 50,000 years to go, and this is about relativity of time. Wonderful. It take them how long? 50,000 years to go. 50,000 years just to go, which means to come back, they need 100,000 years to come back. Okay, Muhammad, he went up to heaven with his angel Jibril in the top of a donkey. It took them, and so sure the angel is not riding the donkey. He have wings. It took them a few hours to come back, to go and to come back, which means like a maximum of 8 hours. So how it is 50,000 years, it became a few hours? What happened? Go ahead.
It is like this, even you will not agree with me, but let me inform you, even you will not agree. It is like this, Pak. Pak in bahasa mean sir, ya, okay? So, there are two ayat in Quran, that is one verse saying 50,000 years. And in other ayat, it's saying 1,000 years.
Correct.
You know, it is not the time. If you know the time relativity equation, it will tell that it is only telling about the speed. So in that two ayat,
no. You see, now you are trying to hide what you just said. It's recorded, my friend. You are the one who said it's about the movement. They are in movement, not as just a speed. It's in movement. So the angels are moving. Who is the one who is moving? The angels, correct? So the angels are moving, and those angels, when they move, it takes them 50,000 years to go to Allah heaven. That's wonderful. So the angels in the move. You are the one who mentioned the word movement, not me. So don't throw it away. So they are moving from point A to point B. Point B is in the heaven of Allah. Point A is in the earth. It takes them 50,000 years to go, 50,000 years to come back. This is 100,000 years. How Muhammad was able to do it in a few hours? Go ahead.
I think you are wrong, sir. You are wrong.
How?
It's not taking 1,000 years, not taking that much time, not taking 50,000 years, but it is talking regarding the speed, not talking regarding the time.
It's taking 50,000 years. Read it, my friend. Read it. Here we go. It says, he rules all affairs from the heavens to the earth, and the end, all the affairs will go up to him in a day. In a day. The day for who? The day for Allah. Space will be as 1,000 years in your timing. This is the verse about 1,000. The other verse, it says 50,000. Either one is a problem, because if it's 1,000 to go, that's mean 1,000 to come back. If it's 50,000 to go, it's 50,000. My friend, it says, the verse is speaking about what? It's speaking about the angels going up to heaven. Yes or no?
Yes, it's
okay. So what accomplished?
Time consumed.
What accomplished? No. There's accomplishment in this time. It's not just only about time is passing. They are moving, and this movement will take them 50,000 years of our time to go up to heaven. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, that's wonderful. So took them 50,000 years of our time. When Muhammad, he went up to heaven and he came back, and his wife, she did not even notice that he left his bed. That is our time or the time of Allah?
CP, I will revise again. I will remind again that on that two ayat, that 50,000 years and 1,000 years, it is not regarding time consumed. You make underline, not time consumed.
No, it's regarding time consumed. No, it's regarding time consumed, because it have to pass a 50,000 years of our time. This is why it says our time, my friend. So one day for Allah is going to be a 50,000 years for us. And this is mean that day for Allah is so fast, day for us is so slow.
Now I'm asking you, which physical theory is saying what you say?
I don't care. This is the physical this is the physical theory. This is the physical theory of Allah. Are you saying Allah is a stupid now? It's your God Allah saying, it's for me, the day is so slow to the point, one day for me is 50,000 years for you. That's mean that the earth is going around itself so fast to the point we have 50,000 years pass when Allah go, which is making it slow.
Special relativity of Einstein.
No, Einstein, no problem with Einstein. Did Einstein say, okay, hold on. Did Einstein taught you that when the heaven, when, like, if you go to heaven, is going to take you 50,000 years? No. Did Einstein told you the numbers Muhammad he taught? No. All the numbers of Einstein have nothing to do with the numbers of Muhammad. In the top of that, Muhammad, he got himself busted by saying, you see, you Muslims, you fabricate stories to make Muhammad a prophet. But Muhammad, he fabricated story too to make himself prophet. And he fabricated a story that he went up to the heaven in a few hours. And he came back. And he was in the company of an angel. Now the angel, in order to accompany Muhammad.
Special relativity, it will easy to understand. Even only 4 hours Muhammad going Mi'raj, it is only regarding the speed.
No problem. Okay, in which speed? No problem. In the speed, my friend. Okay, in which speed Muhammad was going? By Einstein or by Allah's speed? Which speed? Was that Einstein's speed? That you can go up to the you can go up to the end of the world, to the end of the galaxies, and you come back in a few hours. Is that Einstein's speed? Is that possible in Einstein theory?
He drove with malaikat. He drove with malaikat, fabricated by Allah using the.
My friend, you are the one. Look, guys, look at this. Aren't you the one we are talking about the speed of the angels from the beginning? Okay, he is with the angels, so he cannot pass the speed of the angels because they are the ones taking him. The angels take them 50,000 years to go. This is the speed of the angels. It's mentioned in the Quran, and you are the one who quote me the verse. So the angels take them 50,000 years to go.
As physical teacher lah,
What?
No special relativity.
What physical relativity? What physical relativity? Listen. Okay, hold on. Can the angel increase that speed? Can the angel change that speed? Is it like possible that he maybe change his engine? Maybe he would say instead of 4-cylinder, he would 20-cylinder maybe. The Quran is giving us the speed, and you are the one who quote for me the verses. So if it's going to take them 50,000 years to go up to heaven, that means round trip is going to be 100,000 years. And that is the speed. In order to measure the speed, my friend, it's very easy. You have the speed, you have the distance, and then you have the time. So now we have the time. We don't have the distance. And we have the speed because you are using Einstein. So now even we can find out the location of Allah. And who of you Muslims can tell us? Yeah, because if you have the distance, if you have the time, and if you have the speed, we can find the distance. As simple as that. Do you know mathematics or not? So look what you did. Now we can find where Allah located, and Allah is not
dominant to speak. You too dominant to speak. You do not give me to speak.
No, I'm giving you time to speak. We are talking at the same time. Don't complain. Don't complain, please. You are talking and nobody stop you. I'm asking you, is that the speed of the angels? You said yes.
Not only you can speak, you cannot hear me.
Is this you see, here we go, start crying from now. No, I gave you time to speak and you are talking. Nobody stop you. Is that the speed of the angels or not? 50,000 years. Is that the speed of the movement of the angel? You are recorded. You are from the beginning. You said you forgot this is about the movement. The movement. You are the one who said that. Okay. Who is the one is moving?
There are two ayat. There are two objects. Number one is in bahasa urusan, and one is the Gabriel.
Okay, so the angels, guys, so the angels, okay, make it simple, the angels. So the angels are going in the speed, which is going to take them 50,000 years to go up to Allah, correct?
No.
What? No. Okay, hold on.
I'm telling you several times. It is not time consumed,
Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Do you accept your prophet teaching?
CP.
Do you accept your prophet teaching or you don't?
Yes, I'm receiving my
Okay.
my Muhammad teaching.
Okay. Okay. Do you accept your prophet explanation and your scholar explanation for the verse? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So if we open it right now and we will see this is about time consuming, are you going to agree and stop arguing? If I open right now, explanation of your choice, what explanation you like me to read? Give me one.
Once again.
What interpretation you like me to show you in the screen, so we stop arguing like kids? Because you keep saying no. Okay, I'm going to show you any interpretation of your choice, and from your choice I will show you it's wrong. What do you say? Look how sure I am. What do you want? Al-Qurtubi, Al-Tabari, Al-Jalalain, Ibn Kathir? No, choose one. No, it's the scientific area. Actually, this is horrible. This is horrible that God Allah, He says, because you see, first of all, Muhammad is a thief, and Muhammad is a thief. He is copying from the Bible, copying from the. If you go in the Old Testament and New Testament, if you go to 2 Peter chapter 3 verse number 8, it says one day for God is the same as 1,000 years of our time. So this has existed long before Muhammad. Number two, so that's mean we are the one who can claim that discovery, not you. If you mention what I said before you, that's stupid to claim that it's you who discovered it because we mentioned it. This is number one. Number two, this is metaphorical. God have no time. God is out of time. There's no time for God. So if you Muslims claim that Allah have a time, that's mean Allah is a creature like us. And let me prove to you that Allah have a time. Can I prove it to you?
No, you're like a preacher. Yeah, I cannot speak.
No. I'm not preaching to you. I just gave you the answer which you are trying to avoid. Is it mentioned in our book before it mentioned in your book? Yes or no?
Okay, maybe next time we will.
No, don't tell me next time. Don't hang up. No, don't hang up. No, don't hang up. Is it mentioned in our book before your book? Yes or no? Is it mentioned in our? Is it mentioned in our book before your book? So how you claim it for yourself? This is a copyright theft. If this is true, if this is a theory, which is scientific theory, that is a copyright theft, and you are being a thief now, like your prophet. So how you claim something is written in my book long before Islam, claiming that this is a miracle from Allah? Don't you think this is a theft?
What book? What book before Quran?
Here we go. You are the one who told me. Actually, you forgot. I said I think it's 2 Peter. Yes, 2 Peter, chapter number 3, verse number 8.
That Peter do not have movement, no movement.
What movement? What movement? It says a day for God is the same as day. So here you are adding the word movement. Let us see the movement. Who is the one who moved in this story? Allah or the angels? You said the angels, right? Move where? Between listen. Obviously, you have a big failure and you could not prove anything. Secondly, you failed to answer. You helped me to get your prophet busted. He went to heaven in 4 hours and came back. How this happened? If it takes 50,000 years, you are the one. You see, you are the one who just said. You are the one who just said movement. You are the one who said. Listen, you are the one who said it's about movement. I quote for you the verse from the Bible. You said there's no movement there, right? So movement. Okay, Muhammad, he had a movement. He went up to heaven and he came back in a few hours. How it happened that the angels take them 50,000 years to go and 50,000 years to come back, which means 100,000 years.
You are wrong, Pa.
How I'm wrong? Explain to me. Okay, explain to me how.
You said,
my friend.
Malaikat consume 50,000 years. I have told it is not consumed, not
okay.
Consumed,
according to who, not consume. According to who, not consume. Shall we go and see the interpretation? Is that fine for you?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's read again that.
All right. Okay. Let us go, guys. Let us go and see the interpretation. Now he will say, I don't accept the interpretation. Just wait. He will say.
I will leave the debate. I give you time to.
No.
Again regarding.
No, don't give me time. Don't go. Chapter 70. You are running away. Chapter 70, verse number 4. We'll go to Ibn Kathir. Do you accept Ibn Kathir? Yes or no? Before we open it.
I know. And now I know why you always claim you win the debate, because you always speak yourself. You do not give chance to people to.
You see,
speak.
guys, I don't give him a chance. Look at this coward. I am asking you right now. I'm going to show you Ibn Kathir. You're a scholar. Do you accept? Yes or no? You say I don't give you time to speak. You are a coward. You're trying to run away. You want to hang up. You want to hang up because you are getting busted. You say this is not about time consuming. Shall I open Ibn Kathir for you? Yes or no?
I will leave the debate now.
Why you want to leave? Why? Because you are getting busted by Ibn Kathir. Here we go, coward. You want to leave? Yeah, guys. I don't give him time to talk, and he is leaving. Why you are leaving? You are talking. I did not mute you. I did not hang up on you. I did not do anything to you. Listen. Do you accept the interpretation of your scholars? Yes or no?
You dominate the speak, so I better.
No, I'm asking you. Okay, listen. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Coward, run away. This is Ibn Kathir in front of you. Do you accept it or not? This is not about time consuming. This is not about time consuming. This is about time consuming. In the day the measurement were for 50,000 years. This is referred for the day of judgment. And he says, in that day, in the day of the judgment, the chain of narration reported Ibn Abbas, etc. authentic hadith saying the following. The angel and the Ruh ascend into him in the day measure were for 50,000 years. It is the day of the judgment that Allah has made to be measured by 50,000 years for the disbelievers. So yes, it's time consuming. You have to consume 50,000 years. Do you think if we call Budi again, he will have an answer after searching in Google for the last 20 minutes, 30 minutes? Let's try. One last time. Budi in the run. Budi, he don't want to answer. Bye-bye, Budi. All right. So I want to say thank you all for being here. And we appreciate those who download the video, translate the video. And please allow the people who to download your video after that. If you make a translation, don't be selfish. I heard that some of you are flagging other people if they download the video, which they translated or add subtitle. I understand this is your work, but my friend, this is my work too. We need to get rid of our being selfish, selfishness. If I say this is my work, then why I'm here? This is my time, my friend. This is my time, my life, my work. Shouting, screaming. If I am a different person, I will have heart attack, screaming all day to those crazy people. Need a lot of patience. I did not become a Christian prince by one day. I spent my life studying. This is my work. So you don't, when you say I'm not going to let you download the video, that is not right, and you are no Christian. This is my video, not yours. If you add little words in it, if you are selfish, you don't want people to download the video you made, you don't belong here. You don't belong to Jesus. If you are a person here to come and do business, you don't belong to Christ. All right? So, let everybody download the video you make. If you add subtitle, let them download it. For the whole point is not about you, it's not about me, it's about saving mankind and showing them the truth, and the truth will set them free. And the Lord, the Messiah, he said, I am the truth. I am the way. No salvation but by me. So who are you and who am I? If we say this is my video, the Messiah, he gave us his life, and you are talking about my video and my translation. The Messiah said, from their fruits you shall know them, not from their names. Time will come and the Messiah will come to you and will say, I don't know you. Oh, Christ, I prayed. No, you didn't. You prayed, but you did not do any work. Your prayer is selfishness. See, many people, they pray asking for themselves, right? That's normal behavior of a selfish person. Oh no, you know, a real person who loves Jesus, he do as Jesus do. He don't only think about himself. It's good to think about yourself to survive, no problem. But a real Christian is the one who works to help others. The Bible is full of stories and full of examples and clear orders that the one who belongs to him is the one who do what he do. When the Messiah, he made the blind see, he was not the blind, it was the blind. So don't be the same as someone. He's asking the Lord to see, but he want everyone else to be blind. That's evil. A true Christian, he loved the Muslims and he wished them to see. And this is the purpose of our work. We want the Muslims to see the truth. We love them. We don't hate them. We will never hate them. For if we hated them, that make us the same as the filthy Muhammad. That will make us guilty as he is. That will make us following Satan, not Jesus. Never hate them, my friend. In the same time, don't depend on praying only. Those who pray only don't do work, they are fake. If you see a poor man, you don't say, I pray that you will get a sandwich. If you have money, give him a sandwich. If you see a sick person who cannot walk up, stand up, you do something, help him. You don't just pray, says, I pray to God to help you. You are there, God, he sent you to help him. This is how God help. He helped by our hands. So I want to say thank you for all of you. And may the Lord open the eyes of the Muhammadan and see the truth. And the truth will set them free. God bless. This is humbly Christian Prince was with you. With all the love of the Lord to all. And the Lord, he said, not by the bread only human being he live, but by every word from the mouth of God. And that is the mouth of God. Jesus the Christ is the walking, talking, living word of God. The walking, talking, living word of God. In the beginning it was the word, and the word was with God, and the word is the God. That is the Messiah. This is why his name is holy. His act is holy. He have no sin. His ability cannot be compared to anything. This is why when we ask the Muslims, where is the miracles of Muhammad? They have nothing. Where is the miracle of Jesus? It's astonishing. Beyond astonishing. That is my Lord. Who is yours? Thank you. Christ is Lord. Islam is false. And see you soon. Bye-bye.